Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make Chinese smacked cucumbers. It's crunchy, it's garlicky, it's spicy, and it's really refreshing. Once you've made it, it can last up to 7 days in the fridge, so you can have it as an appetizer or as a side salad throughout the week. You can use up to 8 cucumbers for this recipe, but today I'm only going to use 4. I also prefer Persian cucumbers over English cucumbers because the skin is thinner and there's less water in it. Let's begin by lining the cucumbers up and then trimming the two ends off. Cut them in half crosswise, then place a plastic wrap over it. Make sure the ends are tucked in. This will stop the cucumbers from splattering everywhere when we smash it. Now this is the fun part. Grab something heavy like a rolling pin or use the back of a frying pan and just smash those cucumbers up. Most of the cucumbers should have split, and we're going to go and cut it lengthwise like so. Now open them up and split it again. You will end up at quarter pieces like this. Transfer your cucumbers to a bowl and add half a teaspoon of salt. Toss to mix and then set it aside for 20 minutes. This will allow the salt to draw out the waters from the cucumber. In the meantime, we can prepare the marinade. We're going to mix together rice vinegar, sugar, sesame oil, hot bean sauce, or doubanjiang. If you don't have that, you can simply use any chili garlic sauce or chili oils that you may have in your pantry. Although I highly recommend that you buy a jar of hot bean sauce as I use it in many recipes like Taiwanese beef noodle soup. And lastly, we will need 1 clove of garlic for the marinade. Combine all the ingredients in a bowl and then crush the garlic into it. Then stir to mix and set it aside. When the cucumbers are ready, we're going to rinse the salt off and drain the cucumbers. Place it back in a bowl and pour the marinade over it. Gently stir to coat the cucumbers in the sauce. Cover and refrigerate for at least 1 hour before eating it. I love this recipe because it's really easy to put together and it goes as a side dish with almost any Asian dish. I hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. I'll see you guys next week. Good luck in the kitchen and enjoy!